Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Harshwardhan Chandan Rajput,
author of.
तीसरा कौन?
How is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
Oh, actually, this is my first time I am visiting the
Right.
World Book Fair, and as long as I know, I did not know actually that there's World Book Fair
Right.
every year.
Right.
So this is my first time and a proud feeling as well because my book is published and my book is like posted here at the World Book Fair, like
Right.
one of the largest fairs.
So can we know a little bit about your book and what drove you to write this?
Yeah, Tisra Kone is basically about friendship. It defines total friendship, like a friendship one should have. One of the best examples of friendship, but a roller coaster ride where friendship gets a betrayal in between, and then there's a suspense a bit, and then you can enjoy a book like hell. Like there's
Right.
suspense, there's friendship, there's love, romance, betrayal, everything,
Wow.
but
All
with
in
a
one.
happy ending.
Right.
Yeah.
What are some of the biggest challenges you faced while writing this book?
Like demotivation.
Really?
Yes, most of the people they were like, "Are you writing a book? What is the use of that?" Then,
Just don't.
yeah,
Yeah.
yes, and it is of no use actually. They were like, "It is of no use." Then I was like, "Okay, I'll work hard and let you know that it is of the worth."
What is some advice you would want to give to a budding writer or author?
Yeah, just keep writing and don't let your creativity fade down because your creativity will let you be in the World Book Fair. Actually, like I'm on in this place, standing right here with my book. So
that is the biggest motivator, guys. You
Yes.
can make it to World Book Fair.
yes,
Anyways, thank you so much for sharing your experience.
you.
I hope
Yeah.
you have a wonderful book fair.
Thank you.
Thank you.